Hello students, welcome back again in another e-learning video. Today we are going to study one of the topic from writing skill section, and that is view, counter view. In it we will learn the points: what is view and counter view, marking scheme as per board's instruction, silent features of writing counter view, or it is also called as developing a counter view, and an example based on the topic sports should be compulsory in colleges. Let's first see what is view and counter view. View and counter view involves presenting our support or oppose of a given idea. The arguments in favor of the topic are known as views, and the ones against it are known as counter views. Actually, this is a debate type question. A certain topic or slogan or saying is given which expresses a certain viewpoint. Students are expected to write a paragraph or to express the exact opposite opinion of the idea. What is view? Let's talk about it. View is the statement about any topic. It is also called debate for motion. Here, all the supportive good points of view statements are given. What about counter view? Counter view is the negative statement of the view topic. It is also called debate against motion. In counter view, all the bad points of the view topic are given. In the counter view, students are expected to write a paragraph that goes against the points given in the view section. So, the marking scheme as per the board's instruction is given here. You can see it on the screen. The topic is often asked for 4 marks, and the marks are divided into 3 steps point wise. First point is of presentation, which is given for 1 mark. Then next point is appropriate counter view argument, which is given for 2 marks. And third one, language, style and grammar. 1 full mark is reserved for it. So this way, overall 4 marks are given for this type of question. Now we will talk about the silent features of writing counter view. Here some points are given. Let's talk about it in great detail. First point, students will be given a few points, that is view on a particular topic. Second point is include all relevant points and do not write points numbers in the counter view. You have to write it paragraph wise, and you are expected to write down 3 paragraphs, not more than that. Next, third point, students are expected to write counter view for this. That is, as in a debate, that is points arguing against the provided. Fourth point, create counter view as if you are writing an argumentative article. Fifth point, see that the presentation, language, style and grammar are appropriate. Next, Use exclamations to express your strong opinions. Next, give information but don't preach. Next, do not offend any person and don't put forward any political or racial statement. So, these are all things which students must remember while developing a counter view. Now we are going to talk about one example based on it. So, in question paper, students are provided a question with points like this. Prepare a paragraph for a counter view section on the topic sports should be optional in colleges. You can take help of the following points in the view section. Normally here students are provided 4 points. First point, heavy burden of studies. Second point, no time for sports. Third point is given as more importance to academics success. And fourth point is given as lack of proper infrastructure. Now, we are going to develop a counter view based on the given topic, and the points which are given in the view section, we are going to prove all the points how they are wrong or incorrect. So, let's see an example of it. Sports should be compulsory in colleges is the title of our counter view. We will write the counter view in 2 or 3 paragraphs. I do not agree with the above mentioned statement that sports should be optional in colleges. Whether it is a school or a college, students have a lot to gain from sports. It removes the stress from hard studies. It also keeps the students very active and fit. Sports help in inculcating many important qualities like teamwork, determination, self confidence, leadership, reasoning, endurance, etc., that play an important role in development of an individual's personality. Often, more emphasis on studies suppresses the need for sports in a student's life. Institutions should allot some time for sports for the benefit of the students. Young students are full of energy, and it is vital to give way to their energy in right direction. Also, providing a platform to raw talent would lead to the discovery of a great sports persons who may bring honors to the nation in the near future. There should be proper time schedule for sports activities. Though academics success is important, healthy body and active personality is also essential. Sound mind stays in sound body. There is no problem of infrastructure as it is essential for each college to develop facilities for sports activities. Government is supporting sports for achieving great success in competitions. Sports provides an overall learning experience for any individual. Hence, it should be made compulsory in colleges. So, in this way, we talked about one example based on the given topic for developing a counter view. In the next video, we will meet with new information. Till then, take good care of yourself.